There it is. It's happening. It's happening.
Happening.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's episode. We're just continuing on part 2, where we look at all the new features in Adobe 2023.
Yeah, so I thought this was very cool for...
I don't know. Have you ever used an old photo in design? I haven't. In all my life, almost 10 years in the design industry, I can't think of one instance where I needed to use an old photo. I don't know. I suppose maybe, like you say, if it is for like family and you want to look at your look at that here.
Yeah, I think it is probably more of a personal feature that they've added. That is nice. And I mean, I suppose that's nice for history if there's super old ruined photos that they found of this person that they need to learn more about, then, it's a great feature to have. But other than that, it probably won't help us in the business.
No, I agree.
Yeah, but I mean, great feature nonetheless. I think it's very good at what it does.
Nice.
It's done a great job. So yeah.
So I tell you what, I just sent you another image on WhatsApp. Quickly throw that in for us and let's see what it does on that one.
Okay.
I want to see it active in more than one scenario.
Okay, let's quickly download it and then throw it in. Okay, it's this one. Okay, let's try. Oh, made it too big. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty nice photo. I suppose it just has a little bit of scratches.
Yeah.
Neural filters. But yeah, I don't think these filters would work very well on my laptop, for example.
Yeah, no, I agree with you. Scratch disk will die.
Yeah, I really think it takes a hell of a lot of processing power. Yeah, I don't know about people who aren't on those huge Macs or PCs. I feel like they're gonna struggle. Okay, so let's try the scratch reduction. I feel like that would work nicely on this one. I don't know. I feel like there was one article that I saw where you can completely restore a black and white image and turn it into a color image.
Oh.
From the 1900s or whenever they had black and white images.
That I would love to see, but you could probably do it in this one, but you'd have to do each element or each part of the person individually.
Yes, I think it is quite a long process.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a cool filter to show your friends that you know how Photoshop works. Oh yeah, see, it takes it away completely. That's very nice.
Oh, that is nice. Okay.
Yeah. But again, if you want some images to hang on your wall from the olden days, there we go.
So definitely a win, I would say.
Yes, I feel like they've done well.
Yeah,
yeah.
Pretty cool. Okay.
Do you have any other tools that you would like to share?
I think we covered it. If I look through the others, I mean, some of the new features are, you can live sharing and, invite. But I mean, invite to edit is the others, but I don't care much about that. I mean, I can understand why it's important, especially now being remote, as opposed to me sending something to you. You have to download it, open it, edit it, send it back. To have one file and then you can edit it and it affects my file on my side. I think there's something cool about that. I don't know if we should look into that, actually. Now that I say it aloud, it doesn't sound like a bad idea.
Yeah, I mean, we could always try it and see if it works between us, because we are very far away from each other, and see if it's doable, if you want.
Yeah, we can definitely. All right, well, I think this is a short one this week. Not really sure yet what we're doing for next week, but we'll definitely catch you online. So be sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you from the next episode next week. Thank you for listening, and thank you for all your loyal support. Cheerio!